tank rolling over a car, metal screaming under industrial jaws, and vehicles reborn through recycling. It feels like a blockbuster, but this isn't a movie. These are the fastest, most dangerous crushers on Earth, and they never stop. The Chieftain tank weighs over 55 tons, and even at slow speed, it crushes civilian cars with ease. Its wide tracks distribute pressure, yet still generate immense force. This mechanical power highlights the vast gap between military and civilian vehicles and underscores how design dictates load-bearing capacity, Under extreme pressure, the car loses its form. Life is similar. Ultimate challenges often force us to change in order to survive. The intact car is fed into the crusher. The hydraulic press slowly lowers. Glass shatters, steel bends, and the body is crushed tight. Within minutes, it goes from a complete vehicle to a flat steel block. This process reduces volume by up to 80%, saves storage costs, and prepares material for the recycling furnace.
This is the Scorpion.
The Scorpion engine puller works with hydraulic precision, ripping out radiators, engines, and gearboxes in seconds.
There goes the motor.
It's not random destruction, but controlled dismantling, ensuring every material is reused. This process maximizes recovery and minimizes waste, proving how engineering efficiency drives sustainability.
So it worked out so good when he's videoing.
Compared to smaller shredders, this Italian-built Pezzolato runs circles around them. With a 1200 mm feed chain and 540 HP under the hood, it dwarfs machines that only handle 50 N3H. This is like upgrading from a pickup truck to a freight train. Twin-shaft shredders, first developed in Europe decades ago, found massive adoption in China. This 250 kilo unit continues that legacy, showing how industrial evolution turned recycling from manual struggle into mechanical dominance. The single-roll crusher delivers a 6.1 reduction ratio, crushing clay, glass, and soft minerals with controlled efficiency. Its toothed shaft minimizes fines, producing consistent output while saving energy. This design shows how engineering transforms raw force into precise performance. Imagine a challenge. Feed this shredder a full car. Watch hydraulic rollers chew it into 20 50mm bites. The thrill isn't just power, but the suspense. Which part resists longest? Doors, engine blocks. Viewers can't look away when steel meets unstoppable momentum. Could the Arges 250 crush your old washing machine in seconds? Absolutely. Its twin shafts bite through steel drums like cardboard. The real challenge? Feeding bulky e-waste non-stop. Watching it devour appliances feels like a wild industrial game show on full torque. A shredded car looks like the end, but recycling proves endings are beginnings. Steel becomes cars, glass becomes bottles, copper becomes wiring.
And you could win a new car. Take the
Nothing vanishes. It only changes form, carrying history forward. Even in destruction, renewal hides quietly. The Pronar MRW 1300 runs as a slow-speed shredder equipped with a 90mm screen and chip breaker. This design guarantees wood waste is reduced below 100 millimeters, controlling particle size while lowering fire risks. It's applied physics driving clean recycling outcomes. Unlike hammer mills that rely on blunt impact, the Comar EM40 auger uses continuous screw pressure. This reduces dust, lowers noise, and boosts efficiency in breaking pallets. A smarter, cleaner system than older brute force shredders. SSI built the dual shear line back in the 1980s, when recycling demanded machines tougher than standard crushers. The M85 evolved as a proven workhorse, handling drums, metals, even tires, its American engineering roots still evident decades later. This wood chipper uses rotating blades to shred branches into uniform chips. Instead of letting biomass rot, it's turned into mulch or biofuel. Engineering here shows how machines transform natural waste into resources, combining speed, safety, and sustainability. Franzoi, an Italian manufacturer, designed the TRF2 CE115 with reinforced structures to withstand decades of heavy-duty use. Distributed in Germany by Schuster Metal Handle EK, it reflects Europe's tradition of blending robust mechanics with compact, efficient recycling solutions for global markets. Unlike cone crushers using rotational pressure, jaw crushers rely on direct compression. Best for primary crushing, they handle massive rocks at the start. While cone crushers refine output later, together they form a complete system: jaw for strength, cone for precision. When life gives you smoke, just keep driving. This red car runs on pure stubbornness, not gasoline. Behind the Raptor, XLE's steel frames stand crews in hard hats, trusting German engineering. They feed dangerous scrap, appliances, furniture, wires. Knowing slow-speed torque reduces fire risk. This machine doesn't just shred trash. It protects jobs, safeguards workers, and keeps plants running. There's something satisfying in watching the Lindemann and Cut 825-2407 slowly press steel until it snaps. The excavator's remote precision and the machine's hydraulic force create a rhythm of crunching metal that feels less like chaos, more like oddly calming destruction. The Ulster U15 industrial shredder runs on a 15 kilowatt motor, producing enough torque to tear plugs and transformers apart. By freeing copper and aluminum from plastic casings, it allows recycling plants to recover valuable metals safely and efficiently. The 6-year-old VTN FB350 crusher bucket still delivers remarkable force. Powered to break concrete and stone, it runs with high torque and steady hydraulics. Its design ensures recycling efficiency while minimizing fuel use. A practical lesson in applied engineering. Industrial shredders emerged in the mid-20th century to handle growing urban waste. Early designs were small, but modern versions handle everything from furniture to metal scraps. Machines like this are milestones in waste management history, shaping how we recycle today. Testing shows OSB fibers resist crushing differently than solid wood. Engineers track rotor torque spikes to avoid overload. Sensors auto-adjust feed, preventing jams. Still, questions remain. How will long-term wear affect blade edges under continuous heavy-duty recycling? Behind this 250 kilowatt beast are workers feeding endless waste, trusting its torque to stay predictable. Helmets, gloves, protocols. Safety matters when metal shards fly. Beyond machines, it's human discipline and courage that keep recycling plants alive. Compared to older crusher buckets, the VTN FB 350 runs smoother with lower fuel use. Its hydraulics outperform standard jaw crushers, especially in recycling yards. Where hammers raise dust, this bucket delivers quiet, controlled force that saves time and reduces wear. Every circuit board shredded here means fewer toxins dumped in landfills. With its 30 kilowatt motor, the shredder breaks PCBs into recyclable copper, fiberglass, and resin powder, turning hazardous e-waste into reusable raw materials, cutting pollution while creating new green industries. The blast used 30,000 tons carefully calculated explosive energy, dispersing rock downward with momentum control, protecting the nearby highway from flying debris. Why does the Slayer XL excel in dry waste? Its 900mm twin shafts generate consistent bite force, while TRM 516 screens reduce contamination. Analysts note lower downtime rates, meaning plants cut costs while meeting stricter waste management compliance. Vicoplan AG, a German pioneer since the 1960s, once built machines for wood scraps. Today, their VVZ 2500 powers Polish waste plants with 40-ton-per-hour capacity. That journey from sawdust to municipal trash shows how industrial heritage fuels modern recycling. The Petzolato L3000 Mini runs on a 10-horsepower diesel engine, rotating its drum steadily to sift wood chips. This controlled kinetic energy ensures precise separation, teaching us how torque and momentum drive efficiency in recycling processes. The deep hum of hydraulics, torque flowing steady, drums grinding scrap into neat fragments. It's oddly soothing. Watching the Raptor's jaws fold metal so cleanly feels therapeutic, like mechanical ASMR, where power and precision merge into pure satisfaction. This C&D plant crushes debris with staged shredders, coarse, medium, fine. Magnetic separators pull iron out first, leaving clean aggregates. Recycled sand and gravel become road bases, bricks, or cement additives, closing loops in construction waste. What makes the X3000H different? Its hydraulic system delivers torque exceeding 120,000 FTLBs, while smart controls monitor rotor speed to prevent overload. Engineers say this balance keeps operators safe, but the real test lies in how blades endure years of constant recycling duty. Watching Hammel's VB450E dismantle aluminum frames reminds us why recycling matters. Every crushed profile saves energy compared to smelting new metal, cutting emissions, and turning industrial waste into raw material for tomorrow's economy. Watching Raptor XL chew tires feels like a crushing challenge show. Will the monster blades jam or keep spinning? Spoiler, 250,000 Nm torque laughs at resistance, obliterating rubber like soft candy. Listen closely. The slow crunch of 300 kilowatt rotors chewing beams into fragments is strangely soothing. Each snap, grind, and compacted cube feels like industrial therapy, oddly satisfying for stressed modern audiences. Every crush hides brilliant engineering, torque, hydraulics, precision. If you value this power, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Share in the comments. Which machine impressed you most?